Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about hosting your horizons versus AI website builder or the GoDaddy AI website builder. So first, some of the pros of hosting your horizon are first, part of a Hostinger's ecosystem. It works seamlessly with Hostinger hosting, domains, and emails. Second, the drag and drop builder. No coding required with pre-designed templates and many things. Third, affordable. Generally lower pricing than some AI builders. Lastly is the e-commerce and SEO features. It has a decent tools for online stores and ranking on Google. Now, some of its cons are, first is limited AI capabilities, not as advanced in automation as AI-specific builders. And lastly, it has a fewer design flexibilities, may feel more restrictive compared to AI-generated layouts. Next is AI website builders. For example, is the GoDaddy AI website builders. Some of its pros are first, it is AI-powered design. It generates a full website in seconds based on your input. Second, more customization. Offers flexibility while keeping AI assistance. Third, faster setup. It is ideal for non-tech users who want a quick, good-looking site. And lastly, smart content suggestions. Helps with text, images, and layouts. Now, some of its cons are first, it can feel generic. AI-generated sites may lack uniqueness which makes them natural. And lastly is it has a higher cost. Some AI builders are subscription-based with premium features. Other AI website builders are also Wix ADI, Farmer AI, and others. Now, which one is better? Choose Hostinger Horizons if you want a more budget-friendly, easy-to-use, and hosting integrated website builder. Now choose an AI website builder, either this GoDaddy or other AI website builder, if you need fast AI generated layouts, advanced customization, and automated content suggestions. And that's basically it.